Welcome to Roxborough Park, where the views are next level, the wildlife is your friendly neighborhood crew, and this townhome, well, let's just say you're gonna wanna see inside.
The kitchen, oh, it's fancy. With plenty of space to cook, and did I mention it has high-end appliances?
Main floor, primary suite because stairs are optional. Perfect place to relax after a long day of doing nothing. And it also comes with an ensuite bathroom.
Step inside and bam, vaulted ceilings, gorgeous finishes, and natural light for days.
Need a home office, a cozy den? We got you. Work, read, and daydream.
Now let's talk about the basement. Fully finished, fully carpeted down here as well. But did I mention the best part about the basement is the sauna? And if you would never want to leave, we would never blame you. Upstairs, you have 2 more bedrooms and a full bathroom.
This stunner corner unit has the best views in the entire park. With wraparound windows, you have front row seats to city views, your own personal wildlife show, and fireworks during 4th of July.
Want to see it in person? Call the Stack Ski team. We'd love to show you around. But fair warning, you might fall in love with it at first sight.